بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه وبعد. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's lesson is going to be revolving around the Iqlāb rule. The Iqlāb rule, which means the conversion rule. And we'll go right into it. The introduction, as far as what is Iqlāb, linguistically, the word Iqlāb literally means to change or to convert one thing into another. As far as the Tajweed goes, however, is more specific. It is the rule of converting the noon sakina or tanween into a subtle meme when it is followed by the single letter of Iqlāb, and pronouncing this converted meme with a light ghunnah, nasal sound for 2 beats or 2 harakat. In practice, the noon sakina or tanween sound is replaced by a meme sound, which is then lightly concealed ikhfa at the lips, ikhfa shafawi. The Iqlāb letter is one single letter. It is harful ba. How to perform Iqlāb? The process of Iqlāb has 3 distinct steps that happen almost simultaneously. First off, there's a mind conversion. So in theory, the noon sakina or tanween is mentally converted into a meme. A small meme sign is often written above the noon in the mushaf. It's a diacritical mark, and it looks like this. Yeah? Place over the letter. And it's going to be clear throughout when I show examples from the Qur'an, inshallah, of what this diacritical mark looks like and how to deal with it when you come across it. We have concealment, ikhfa. This converted meme is concealed, ikhfa shafawi, as we've touched base on previously, meaning you bring your lips close together without fully pressing them. A light touch is sufficient. And then you have the ghunnah. You accompany the concealed meme sound with the ghunnah, the nasal sound, for 2 beats or 2 harakat. Location and examples. Iqlāb can occur in 2 scenarios. In 1 word or between 2 words. The rule is applied identically in both cases. In 1 word, where we find noon followed by ba, it is read as such. لَيُنْبَذَنَّ 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 لَيُنْبَذَنَّ. You see, the noon is converted into a meme. You no longer hear the word, the letter noon. If you are not privy to this ruling, you'll probably read it as follows. لَيُنْبَذَنَّ لَيُنْبَذَنَّ. But as we said, the noon is converted into a meme, and it is a concealed meme, ikhfa shafawi. You do an ikhfa shafawi when you pronounce it or when you recite it, so it becomes, or you pronounce it or recite it as such, as follows. لَيُنْبَذَنَّ لَيُنْبَذَنَّ لَيُنْبَذَنَّ. Yeah? In 2 words, the noon sakina is at the end of the first word, and the ba is at the start of the second. And it goes as such. Min ba'd, min ba'd, min ba'd, min ba'd. If you're not privy to this ruling, or this principle, you would read it as min ba'd, min ba'd. Yeah? The noon, you would not convert the noon to the meme, and you won't do ikhfa shafawi, obviously, and you would not read it properly, is what I'm trying to say. So it is read or pronounced as min ba'd, min ba'd, min ba'd. Yeah? Not min ba'd, min ba'd. The third ruling is when there's a tanween. So the tanween is at the end of the first word, and the ba is at the start of the second word. We have it here. So if you're not privy, like we said, of this ruling, the ruling of Iqlāb, which we said is the Iqlāb letter is one single letter, which is ba. It is preceded by either the noon sakina or tanween. In this example, in this case, it is a tanween. If you're not privy to this ruling, you would read it, probably read it, most likely read it as sami'an basira. Sami'an basira. Yeah, the tanween is going to be very obvious when you recite it. However, it is read as such. You convert the tanween into a meme, and it sounds like this. Sami'an basira. Sami'an basira. Sami'an basira. Yeah? Sami'an basira. Not sami'an basira. Sami'an basira. Hopefully this lesson was of great benefit to you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like I said, I'm gonna follow all of these videos that with more detailed readings and recitations from the Qur'an, inshallah, to show you the ruling of Iqlāb, the ruling of Idgham, and Al-Ghalqala, and other rulings, inshallah, so you can get acquainted with how to pronounce each word based on the أحكام التجويد principles. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.